Right, let's get to business. So, 3, 2, 1, and it is... What's going on guys, CasualSavage here, and in this video I'm going to be announcing the winner of the BenQ Screenbar Plus. Now if you didn't watch my video last week on this product right here, I highly recommend you check it out. Even if you don't win this giveaway, it is an amazing reading lamp and definitely worthwhile checking out. Once again, big shout out to BenQ for allowing me to review the product and also give away one to you guys as well. Now as always with my past giveaways as well, I'm trying to make it as fair as possible. So we're going to be using the website Gleam, which will pick a random name from all the people who have entered and we'll see who wins. Right, let's get to business. So here we are on Gleam. It's been a long time since I've used this, so I think I'll go to winners. There we go. So as you can see, there's going to be one winner, and I have no idea who it's going to be. One of you that have entered the giveaway is going to pick a random name at winner. It's going to pick a random name as a winner, and then I'll contact you. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay, not yet. So there's 34 people that have entered. So 3, 2, 1. And it is... Vatsal Gada. You are the winner. You're from London. Pretty cool. And his email's there, so I'm going to blur that out, obviously. There we go. I'm going to email you right now while you guys are watching, so then you can see. Okay, there we go. His email's in. I've written my email out proper professional, as you know how it is. Anyway, I've given him until the 9th of July to respond. That is a whole week. If he doesn't respond, follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. That's where I'll be announcing another giveaway if it is necessary. However, also on there, I'll announce if he contacts me back, and of course if it's going to be shipped out. So, send. There we go. As you can see, message sent. Nothing we can do now. Well, it says undo, but I'm not going to undo it. You've got that message, it's officially sent. So, yeah, contact me. Anyway, that is it for this video. Congratulations to the winner. I will be contacting you to make sure you get this product. You have a week to contact me back, and I'll send off your details to BenQ, who will be sending it themselves. Now, if the winner doesn't respond in a week, follow me on Snapchat. That is where I'll announce a second giveaway if it is needed. And once again, check out BenQ in the description. I'm sure most of you already know them. Great products, not just this reading lamp, great monitors as well. Okay, so while I was editing the video, the guy I emailed who won has actually emailed back. He sent me his address. He's actually from India. Even though it showed London for some reason, he sent me all the details. Therefore, this giveaway is officially closed. I do hope to do more in the future. And of course, BenQ, if you've got anything more, I'm more than happy to collaborate again.